Hello YouTube, this is Pyro SoCal here, recording my first YouTube video ever on my fireworks stash for 2016 4th of July. Let us begin. So to start us off with our first items, here are some small fountains called Mini Monster. They're tiny fountains that are like, they shoot up sparks and stuff. They're okay fountains. And our next two items are basically pretty much the same thing, called Tequila Sunrises. They're cool fountains. I like them. Both these are the same size, almost, or I mean, they're same. They do the same thing, is what I mean. And next off, we have 2 boxes of Firecrackle. There are strips of crackling. They're really fun. And our next things, we got some pop pits. Everyone knows what those are. And for another items, we have a pack of Crazy Eyeballs. I love these. They're cool. They spin on the ground and blow up. Just like these things, except they don't spin. TNT Blast. They blow up. They're awesome. And gotta have the smoke balls. Your family favorites. And another family favorites are your snakes. Gotta have snakes. And for next items, we have an orchid. It's a cool fountain. It has silver crackle, lemon, and purple sparkle. It has a lot of crackling. And our next fountain is new to this year. It's called Jalapeno Popper. It's an okay sized fountain. I picked it up. It looked cool. And this was new last year. It's called Mono a Mono. It's a pack of 4 small fountains. They're really nice. I like them. They're only $5, and they do a lot. So they're really cool. And we also picked up some fireworks at Phantom stands. And we got some confetti lights. And we also got from Phantom 3 packs of ground blooms. We got another nice sized fountain here called Crackling Cactus. Oh, my bad. And we got these nice fountains called California Candle Combo Pack. They're basically giant sparklers or handheld fountains where they spray sparks everywhere. They're pretty cool. And this is a nice size fountain. It's called Enfuego. It does a lot. I love this fountain. I get it every time. It does, see here, it does red, green, blue, and yellow sparks with crackles. I love it. It's an awesome fountain. And our last item of this stash is Night Treasure. This is an awesome grand finale. It goes on for about a couple minutes. And it's just awesome. It's $15. It's really cheap. So, if you're still looking for fireworks, I recommend you get this. It's awesome. I love it. So, that concludes it for my stash. Give a like to the video and also leave a comment if you do wish. And also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you and have a good 4th of July. Goodbye.